is it. Spaghetti alla olio, but like incredibly spicy and delicious and perfect for any night of the week. Enjoy. Thinly sliced 5 cloves of garlic. Because it's date night and our mouths will be ripe. Found this beautiful chili. I'm gonna thinly slice it and I'm going to cook it with the garlic. Slice her up. We have our garlic, we have our chili, we have parsley. We want a lot of fresh parsley. Chop, 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 chop. Everybody. Water's boiling. Let's go season it and cook our pasta. We want it salty. Pasta's in. Now we're gonna start our sauce. Extra virgin olive oil. Adding in the garlic and chili. Oh my God, this is gonna be good. We have garlic and the chili and the olive oil on a low heat because we want it to infuse. You don't want the garlic to burn. Let it simmer gently. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my God, look at that bite.